Inserting a replacement NSM module into the shelf. Make sure that the latching mechanism arms are locked in the fully extended position. Using both hands, gently slide the NSM module into the shelf until the weight of the NSM module is fully supported by the shelf. Push the NSM module into the shelf until it stops. You can place your thumbs on the orange tabs on the front of each finger loop to push in the NSM module. Loop your index fingers through the finger holes of the latching mechanisms on either side of the NSM module. With your thumbs, press down and hold the orange tabs on top of the latching mechanisms. Gently push forward to get the latches over the stop. Release your thumbs from the tops of the latching mechanisms and then continue pushing until the latching mechanisms snap into place.